What's up, little ducks? This is Coach Ruben back here at the bull ring, bringing you guys a video that I think is going to be of tremendous value for you if you are tired of paying for contracts, those commissions. Guys, I have good news for you. TradingView has partnered up with a lot of brokers where you don't have to pay for commissions anymore if you place your trade with TradingView. Now, if you have some experience as a trader, you know before the market opens, you're going to mark off your resistance and then you're going to mark off your support, guys. And if you're like a lot of traders, you say to yourself, I am going to enter the trade. If it crosses this line, I will buy a call. If it crosses this line, I will buy a put. And if you are like the rest of us, you are probably coming over to your broker, guys, and you are looking at the SPY contracts, and you might say, well, I'm going to pick this one, and you are patiently waiting to hit that stand order, guys. And this could be frustrating if you have to wait a lot of minutes, especially if you're day trading. Now I'm here to tell you guys, forget all that noise, guys. Check this out. This is what TradingView has done for us, and you're going to love it. So you're going to come to any screen, guys, and we're going to go look for SPY contracts on TradingView. You're going to type the letters SPY, and you're going to come right over here to the section that says options, and you will click on the options. You're going to click on the actual SPY, Spider S&P 500 ETF. And you're going to get option contracts. Now, you're going to come over to the next available date or any date you want to take if it's a future date. So let's take a look at tomorrow, November 24th, guys. And I'm going to click on that. It's going to give me the contracts. And if I want to buy calls, I'm looking on the left side. If I want to buy puts, I'm looking on the right side. So I'm going to come down and I'm going to pick something that's close to in the money, guys. So I'm going to go down about 3 contracts, and I am going to click on the call 663. And now I have the actual contract on my screen. Now you're going to be able to see the actual contract name in the middle of the screen, guys. You see this SPY 251124, and it's the 663. You also have it available for you on the side. If you have your price label on, you will see that this contract is currently at $1.82. Now, in the previous screen, guys, we did mark off our resistance and our support. And let me show you, this contract shows you the actual chart, guys. Okay. So this is what we saw in SPY, guys. Okay. So now if I want to buy a contract and my entry, like we said, for a call is going to be right at resistance, and I'm going to go to the top, I'm going to set a bracket order. Now you might say, well, this is a little tough because I can't see SPY, even though that this contract is showing you the same candles as the chart. But I have a small hack for you guys that I think you're going to enjoy. Now you're going to come up here, guys, and you're going to click on your window so that you can create 2 windows side by side or 2 charts side by side. Now, when you get to the screen and you select your 2 windows, you're going to come down here and you're going to make sure that the symbol is not checked on. The interval, you can check it on. So it's the same as your contract, guys. Crosshair, you want to be the same. Time and date range, that's up to you guys. I'm going to go ahead and click on date range to be the same. And I'm going to click on time to be the same, guys. Okay. I like to keep all 4 of these on, and I'm going to show you why. So I'm going to come here, and this is my actual contract on the left, and on the right, I currently have Tesla. So I'm going to change that to SPY, and I'm going to make sure that the options is not checked on. Instead, I'm going to click on stocks. Okay. And let's just go to all, and I'm going to click on SPY. So now I have SPY, guys, and this is the actual chart. Okay, now you can see on the 20-minute, it looks a little bit different than this. And I'm going to show you why. When you come down here, guys, this extended trading hours to the lower right-hand corner of the chart, you want to change it to regular. Now the charts look the same. Okay. Now we do have a little difference with the indicator, guys. Okay. And that's easy to fix. All you have to do is come here, right click, and I want to apply these indicators to the entire layout because I want both layouts to look the same. So I click on it and voila, we look the same now. Now I'm going to take this arrow, guys. As a matter of fact, I'll start a new arrow and I'm going to highlight this first resistance candle with the wick, guys. And I'm just going to point down at it so you can see. So when I bring the crosshair to the actual wick, you can see it's matching up here with this candle on the actual chart. So you're going to see that you are apples for apples, guys. Okay. And I'm going to mark off the support and resistance just so you get a good visual of what this looks like. Now, remember, when you are going to buy your contract, guys, this is the cool part. You can see in the upper left-hand corner, I don't have a buy and sell button. So we're going to go ahead and come over here and we're going to set up or go into our settings and set that up. So I'm going to click on trading. I'm going to click on buy and sell buttons and there they go, guys. Okay. And now I'm going to click OK. Now that we have our setup here for buy and sell, guys, we're going to come down here to our trading panel and we're going to click on it and you're going to go through a list of brokers. Okay. You can click on show all brokers if your broker's not here. Mine is TradeStation, guys. So I'm going to click on TradeStation. I'm going to click connect. And of course, it's going to ask me for my login credentials. So it's very simple, guys. You enter your credentials. Once you enter it, you're going to find that you can keep this and save it. So you don't have to enter it every single time. So let's go ahead and log in. All right, guys. So now you can see that we have the buttons here for the buy and sell. They're highlighted. That means we are live. And if I want to buy this contract right above this resistance, okay, I am going to come above into a section or an area where I feel comfortable placing the order. I'm going to right click and I'm going to come down to where it says buy the SPY 663 call. You see that with a stop, meaning I don't want it to take the order now. I want it to be at a stop, ready to go. It's not live yet, but it will trigger if the price action crosses it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And you can see that I have one buy stop there, guys. Okay, now here's the important part. And I'm going to remove this line so that we can focus on the actual order, guys. Okay, you can see that the price action will be visible here on the right. So if I want this order to click when it gets here, it's going to trigger. That is already done. Now, where do I want to take profit and where is my stop loss going to be? And that is a great setup to do with TradingView, because if you were on your broker, you constantly have to watch it and you have to wait for the price action to cross where you want it to go. And it just could be a headache, especially if you're a full-time student or a full-time worker, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to say to myself, hey, I think this order can run all the way up here, guys, right before that gap. So I'm going to say, I'm going to take this TP button, which is your take profit, and I'm going to drag it all the way up to this candle, guys, which would put me at about $515 profit. But I also want to protect my money. So I'm going to take my stop loss, guys, and I'm going to bring it down to about this area here where you can see, let me move the candles over. You can see that there was support right at that wick with that green candle. So for me personally, that's where I would set it, guys. Now, you can set it down here where the previous support was at and go past the support just to protect yourself. But your risk management is your risk management, guys. So if you think you can afford this, you bring it down here. If not, you go shop for a cheaper contract. Me personally, if we're going to go, we're going to go. So I'll give myself this space here, guys, and I'll leave this order just like you see, and I'll let it trigger and then make its way up. Okay. Now, as the order makes its way up, here's my suggestion to you guys. Okay. Once it gets past this resistance, it triggers your order. And then you see that the price action is not at your take profit yet, but it's halfway there, guys. Okay. The beautiful part about doing contracts with TradingView, guys, is that you can take this stop loss and bring it above the original buy and bring it higher and higher to a place where you feel comfortable in case the price action comes back down, guys. Okay. You're securing profits. Okay. And that's the most important part in trading, is that you have a stop loss, that you move up with the price action, guys. Protect your profit. Look, even if it was $100, guys, okay, you want to put your stop loss into the profit zone once you are there. Okay. Now, obviously, as it goes up, guys, my suggestion is you keep dragging this up and protecting the profit you've already made so that your contract ends up in the money and very green while you're trading. Now, the beautiful part about all this, guys, remember, is you're not paying commissions. This is free. You pay free for this contract. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm going to bring this stop loss, guys, okay, right back down to where it was before. Okay. Now I do want to show you something. If the order triggered and you see the price action going up and it starts going pretty quick and you think, wow, I should have bought two. Okay. And you already set this up, guys. Okay. All you have to do is click on this button here, guys, and you buy a second one. Obviously, it's not going to let me do it right now because the market is closed. Okay. But if I change my mind before the order trigger, I can also modify this order and click up and get two instead of one. Hit the confirm button and we're ready to go, guys. Okay. Now, if the order was live and the market was live, guys, you can buy contracts on the fly here. Just make sure that you double check the quantity. Okay. Keep it at 1. If you're new, keep it at 1. So when it's going up, you can click buy, especially if you already have a take profit, guys. If your take profit is up here and the price is still going up and you think, hey, this is going to go, feel free to hit this buy button, guys, and you are going to do just fine. Now, my purpose for this video, guys, is to show you that you can win in the market, okay, if you have the right education. If you understand how to buy and sell, guys. If you still don't and you need some coaching, I'm going to leave you a link in the description, guys. Click on it, pick up one of the courses, join my Discord for free, and we can take these orders together in my live room, guys. I hope this video added value, guys. And again, if you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments below. See you on the next video.